Today, I want to talk about Bachang Ceramic Village, a famous traditional handicraft village in Vietnam. It is located on the outskirts of Hanoi, along the Red River, and has a history of over 700 years. And the village is best known for its ceramic and pottery products, such as bowl, vase, cup, plate, statues, and decorated items. These products are made of high-quality clay and are well known for their beautiful design and durability. Many of them are hand-painted with traditional patterns or modern style. When visiting Pachang, tourists can see artisans at work, learn about the pottery making process, and even try making the old product at the workshop. And there's also many shops and a pottery market where visitors can buy souvenirs. Pachang is an interesting place to visit because it offers a chance to experience Vietnam culture, creativity, and history. It's not only a place to explore traditional craft, but also to enjoy a peaceful rural atmosphere near the capital city. And that's all. Thank you for listening.